Here we are on TradingView.com. Now, this is the platform we're going to use to mark up our charts. I'm going to get you set up with just a couple tools here and introduce you to the platform just briefly. Okay, for starters, it might make you create an account. So just take a minute and do either a sign in or create an account. Just use your Google. Okay, now that you have a sign in, go to products and super charts. This is a basic chart. Come up here to the left-hand corner, and this is where we're going to search for our symbols. So you can see that there's everything here: stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto. I mean, absolutely everything you want to trade. As long as the broker is offering it, you're going to find it here. So we're going to be dealing with forex, and let's search for euro over the dollar. So it's going to be EUR USD, and let's choose this Oanda one. I like this one. Okay. This is the basics of a chart. Now, one cool thing about TradingView is that you can drag and drop and kind of move. A lot of these platforms are not this user-friendly, so it's really nice to be able to just move your chart however you want. You can rescale it, big and small, like that. And there's a ton of stuff on here, but I'm just going to be showing you a few things to get you started today. So TradingView, you can mark up your charts. You can draw all over them. Remember Paint from back in the day? It's a lot like that. So you can draw things like trend lines here and move them around, change them different colors, make them different widths, add text. I mean, you can really customize your charts as much as you want. You can do these horizontal lines that are really nice for marking your chart up. You can just have a brush and, draw things. We have text. You can mark where you want your profit, or if you just want to take notes to yourself. You're going to learn later on how to use some more of the other features, but really, that's all we're doing today. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or lean on the group. We're all in here to help you, and we're all doing this together. All right, I'll see you in the next video.